In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave an Asana project. Whether you're transitioning to a new role or simply tidying up your workspace, knowing how to step away from a project is a handy skill. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Asana website. To do this, type in appasana.com in your browser's address bar and press enter. Once you're on the landing page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address, the one associated with your Asana account. Type it in carefully to ensure there are no errors, as this will guide you into your personalized workspace. After entering your email, click Continue to proceed. Next, it's time to input your password. Now make sure you input it correctly to avoid any login issues. If your account is protected by multi-factor authentication, ensure you follow those additional steps as required. Once you've entered your password, click on the Login button and you'll be taken to your Asana homepage. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your homepage. Here, you have all of your current projects listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Find and select the specific project that you want to leave. Clicking on this project will open it and display its contents, including tasks, members, and settings. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the project page where you'll see the Share button. Click on it and a panel will appear showing the list of current project members. Scroll through the list until you find your name. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow right next to your name. Go ahead and click on this arrow. A drop-down menu will appear revealing several options. From this menu, select Leave Project. This choice will signal that's your intention and you'll be prompted with a confirmation box that appears instantly. Now take a deep breath and when you're ready, click on Remove Me. This step confirms your decision to exit the project permanently. As soon as you select this option, you will no longer be a member of the project and it will be removed from your list of active projects in Asana. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully left an Asana project. Remember, this process can always be reversed by rejoining the project using a new invitation from an existing project member if needed. This ability to manage your active projects ensures you maintain a focused and organized workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips on navigating Asana and other productivity tools.